Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video I will show you how you can sign in to Minecraft Education Edition. So let's start. Alright, so to access any Minecraft edition you would need a Microsoft account. So first let's go to www.education.minecraft.net, and it is going to take you into this page in here. Now click on sign in. And in here, you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. So if you have no Microsoft account, that is not a problem. You can do it here as well. All you have to do is just click on create one, and you would be able to create your account from here. Okay. So after you sign in with your Microsoft account, you will be able to play Minecraft Education Edition and all other Minecraft editions. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.